Okay, number 5 is a lot of words, but we'll figure it out. It says, after a windstorm, you notice that your 12-foot flagpole may be leaning, but you're not sure. From a point on the ground 10 feet away from the base of the flagpole, you find that the angle of elevation to the top is 52 degrees. Find the angle to the nearest degree that the flagpole makes with the ground and determine if it's leaning or not. So this is the angle they're wanting us to find. Okay. To see if our flagpole is leaning. And so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to label my sides. Again, doesn't matter. I'm going to label my angles and sides. So I'm going to put A, I'm going to put B, and I'm going to put C, which means this is little b, little a, and little c. Okay. So I'm going to figure out what I have. I don't have A. I do have B. I want to find C. So I'm looking for an angle. So I'm probably going to need to use an inverse. Okay. I do have little a, which is 10. I do have little b, which is 12. And I don't have little c. So, first thing I'm going to do is look and see what I have. So, I have a pair. So that should tell me I'm going to use the law of sine. But I'm trying to find c. I don't have enough information right now to find angle C, but I could find angle A, okay, and then find C from there, and that's what I'm going to do. So since I have a pair, I'm using law of sine, so I'm going to put sine of big A, because that's what I'm going to solve for, over 10 equals sine of 52 over 12. Okay, so when I do that, I'm going to multiply by 10, and I get the sine of A, because those cancel, equals 10 sine of 52 over 12. So I need to figure out what that is. So 10 sine of 52, enter, gives me 7.88. Then I'm going to divide that by 12, and I get the sine of A equals 0.6566, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm going to second sine, I'm going to inverse it, that decimal. Okay, and I get A equals 41.04, 41 degrees. Okay, but it wanted to know what C is because I want to know if my flagpole's leaning. So I'm going to go 41 plus 52, and I get 93. I'm going to do 180 minus 93 because all my angles add up to be 180 degrees in your hand. Okay, and I get 87. So C is 87 degrees, so yes, it's leaning. Okay, good stuff.